Okay, about the winter storm that's coming up. I just realized something about the big winter storm. So, I live in Nicholasville, right? One city from Lexington, Kentucky. Um, Supposedly we are in the pink zone, which is the deadliest zone for the winter storm. Um, I just noticed something. I wonder if all we're going to have is just a normal winter storm. However, the meteorologists, they're making it 10 times as bad as what it usually would be. Which, I'm shivering. It's freaking cold. Um, Gotta make this quick. But I wonder if these meteorologists, they're trying to fearmonger us. Like, make us in fear of something bad's gonna happen. So, when you look at it, all these large corporations who make money, billions of dollars, um, I'm wondering if people are believing this shit, saying how big and bad this winter storm is, but in reality, it's probably not going to be that bad. I don't know. I'm just assuming. But I wonder if they're making people go out and buy all this stuff. Because when you buy something from uh, a supermarket or a place, when you buy something from that store, it tends to make that supermarket richer. So, therefore, I wonder if this is all just for money and stuff. So, yeah. Don't mind the broken light switch. um, yeah, it's been like that for a while. But, yeah, that's my theory. It's probably not going to be that bad. Take a note from me. Don't believe everything you see on the internet. You may not believe this, but this is my theory. I think all the meteorologists are just trying to fearmonger us, make us fearful. And the reason why I'm shaking is because it's so freaking cold outside. Damn. Alright. So, if something does happen, I'm probably going to be gone for a while. Hopefully, it don't last forever. And yeah. Alright. So, that's my theory. Oh, one more thing. Actually, no, I already said it. Never mind. Alright, bye.